guys, and welcome to Beauty Case, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Sephora Play for this month. If you don't know, Sephora Play is a $10 beauty subscription box, and I will leave all the Sephora Play information in the description box below in case you do want to sign up. And I didn't upload my Tuesday video because I was busy dyeing my hair. I don't know if you could tell. Well, I guess you can kind of tell. I can see it. It's like I picked up a golden or honey blonde color, but my hair came out brown, which is fine because that's what I expected. I will make a video about all the stuff that I use because I did have to be careful to make sure that I don't mess up my curls or damage my hair. So enough about that, and let's go ahead and jump into the Sephora Play for this month. And I did go ahead and watch the video from the Sephora team, and I did see like all the stuff that they had or they were going to be giving, so I was kind of excited, but then I got my box, and of course I opened it before because I get really excited, and I was kind of disappointed, guys. So let me know if your box is better than mine, but it also does come with your playbook that gives you some information about all the stuff that come in your box, along with the $50 play pass that gives you, $50 50-point play pass that gives you 50 Beauty Insider points with your purchase in stores. So this was the bag for this month. It is really cute. I like the hot pink. And then I'm going to go ahead and just go through the box randomly. So the first thing that I see is the First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. And that's what it looks like. And again, I am picky with hair products, so I don't know that I will be using this. I probably won't. I'll probably just pass that on. So next thing that I got that I am excited about is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquified Lipstick, and it looks like that. And I don't think I've tried this one, but I have tried another ones, and I got the shade Queen Bee, and it's just a really pretty nudie pink color. So I am like excited that I got that. And then the next thing is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover, which I think everyone got if I'm not mistaken. It just looks like that. And I have used this before, and it is a good makeup remover, so I'm okay with that. And then the next thing I got was the Amorepacific Treatment Eczema Peel. It looks like that, comes like that. I really need to do my nails, but oh, and it comes in a little, it says it's a peel, so I guess we'll have to see how that works. And it says water active botanical enzymes treatments to eliminate excessive surface cells and toxins, responsible for irregularities in texture and tones, and optimize penetration of all skincare products which follow. So I guess it's one of those like peel off kind of things. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to look more into it and see if I really want to put that on my face. And then the next, I got the YSL Mont Paris little perfume sample, which I believe I have tried before, and it is a good scent. And then the last thing that I got was the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm not okay with this because this is not my shade. And I have gotten this in a box before, and like it's just really not my shade, and that's why sometimes I hate getting foundations in beauty boxes. But that's right there, and like that's not going to go on my face. So I'm a little bit upset about that. I might be able to find someone that can go to, or I do have this foundation already, and I believe that the color that I have is a little bit dark, so I may be able to like mix it in there for my skin now, because the one that I have is a bit darker. But that is everything that I got in my Sephora Play. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you got in your Sephora Play, if you had better luck than I did this month. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow because I'll be uploading another unboxing tomorrow. Bye, guys.